This is video 2 in the HEX Innovate series on basic motorcycle maintenance. It gives a brief overview of how to remove and replace the motorcycle's engine oil filter. The procedures shown in this video may not apply to all motorcycles. Always follow the motorcycle manufacturer's recommendations for routine maintenance and repair. If any tasks shown in this video are beyond your ability, let a qualified technician with experience in the relevant vehicle do them for you. The engine oil filter works to remove debris and contaminants from the motorcycle's engine oil whenever the engine is running. These contaminants include stray metal, plastic and rubber particles and shavings, and natural byproducts of gasoline combustion that include acids and carbon-based soot and sludges. The oil filter must always be changed whenever the engine oil is changed. Changing the oil without changing the filter encourages excessive debris buildup in the filter, possibly causing long-term engine damage. Two common types of engine oil filter are used on motorcycles. The spin-on type has its own integrated housing and may include additional hardware, such as pressure relief, bypass, and anti-drain back valves. The cartridge type is a simple filter element, usually accessible by removing an external cover. On some motorcycles, such as BMW Oilhead and HEX Head Boxer Twins, access is awkward, and you may need a model-specific filter wrench to be able to remove and replace the filter. The oil filter on this R1250GS Adventure is in a different location and can be removed with a common strap wrench if needed. Before starting this task, be aware that some motorcycles have more than one oil filter. This KTM 690 Enduro R has one cartridge-type oil filter on either side of the engine. To remove and replace a spin-on engine oil filter, find out in advance whether a dedicated filter removal tool will be needed. Park the motorcycle on its center stand or secure it to a workshop stand. Most motorcycles need to be parked in an upright position for the engine oil to be changed. Remove the key from the ignition. This eliminates the possibility of accidentally starting the motorcycle with no oil in its engine. Place a metal or plastic drain tray under the oil filter installation point. With a firm grasp on the oil filter, rotate it counterclockwise and off its threaded shaft. Let all oil drain from the open filter aperture. Check that the old oil filter gasket is not stuck to the crankcase. If it is stuck, remove it. Apply a thin film of clean engine oil to the new oil filter's gasket. Thread the new oil filter onto the threaded shaft. Tighten the new filter by hand only. Wipe the surrounding area with a clean rag. The HEX GS911 has been independently rated as the best diagnostics and configuration tool for BMW, allowing you to reset service reminders, scan and clear fault codes, read real-time values, retrofit BMW accessories, do important maintenance procedures, and much more. See hexgs911.com for more information.